Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to define calling policies on your Microsoft Teams in your Office 365. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have opened Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Here, if right now I am on the home option, but if you open this voice, you see this calling policies, click on it. You'll have three of them by default. That is why for custom policies you say no, and if I try to modify, I don't have the edit option. If I go for group policy assignment, I haven't done anything, so that's why it's none, no problem. Now if you want to read what these are, you can click. So basically it says what is allowed, what is not allowed. So you can see what are the things allowed now. But if you want to create a policy by default, you have the option, click on add, put a name. For example, I want to put test, I want another put nest, just sample. Make private calls allow cloud recording of calls. If you want, you can do call forwarding and simultaneous ringing to people in your organization. Call forwarding and ringing to external phone numbers, voicemail. So you have all these options here, and you can define and then you can assign it. So that's how simple it is, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and comment. Thanks for watching.